Think minivans are outdated? Think again. The 2025 Chrysler Pacifica isn't just a family vehicle, it's a rolling smart home on wheels. Packed with high-tech features, brilliant storage solutions, and clever engineering, this van could be the SUV alternative you never knew you needed. Let's dive into why it's turning heads in the family car segment. Under the hood, the Pacifica gives you flexibility. Choose between a 287 horsepower V6 for classic performance or a plug-in hybrid delivering 260 horsepower with jaw-dropping efficiency. While the hybrid trades a bit of muscle for mileage, it rewards you with an incredible 540-mile range. Need better traction in winter? Stick with the gas model, it's the only one with available all-wheel drive. Chrysler streamlined the lineup into 3 straightforward trims: Select, Limited, and Pinnacle. Even the base Select model feels upscale with features like a heated steering wheel, faux leather seats, and warm front seats. Prefer a bold, sporty vibe? The Limited trim now includes the S appearance package as standard. Expect blacked-out styling and standout wheels. You don't expect minivans to be fast, but the V6 Pacifica proves otherwise, hitting 60 miles per hour in a respectable 7.3 seconds. The hybrid may take a breath longer, but it's the real winner in efficiency. With 33 miles of electric-only driving and a combined 84 mpg rating, it's one of the most fuel-smart options in its class. Need to pull a trailer or boat? The gas Pacifica has you covered with a 3,600-pound towing capacity. Just note, the hybrid version isn't built for towing. On the fuel front, the gas model offers 31 miles per gallon highway, while the hybrid's electric range is a game-changer for daily city drives and budget-conscious families. With top rivals like the Honda Odyssey, Toyota Sienna, and Kia Carnival in the mix, the Pacifica holds its ground, and then some. Between its family-first features, versatile powertrains, and smart engineering, Chrysler's 2025 Pacifica continues to raise the bar. Whether it's school runs or cross-country trips, this minivan is built to do it all, with style and brains.